Tired of flat, lifeless hair? Discover the ultimate shortcuts that instantly transform fine strands into voluminous masterpieces. 1. Textured Pixie. This cut uses strategic choppy layers to give fine hair a much-needed lift and movement, preventing it from lying flat. It is ideal for oval or heart-shaped faces seeking an edgy, wash-and-go style that maximizes perceived density. Adding a long, side-swept fringe to the pixie creates a dynamic silhouette that adds height at the crown, drawing the eye upwards. This variation is particularly flattering on round or square faces as it helps to elongate the profile. 2. French Bob. The sharp, blunt line of this chin-length style gives the illusion of a solid, dense perimeter, effectively making fine ends appear thicker. It is a chic, polished choice that works best with prominent facial features and straight hair. Adding subtle waves or a natural bend breaks up the line of the bob, injecting instant texture and movement that fine hair often lacks. This softer version offers a romantic, effortless vibe and is great for most face shapes. 3. Asymmetrical Lob. The dramatic difference in length from back to front builds volume at the nape and creates an angular, modern shape that distracts from thinness. This bold cut is excellent for slimming a wider face shape due to the forward angle. Texturizing and adding loose waves to the asymmetrical cut maximizes the visual fullness. This universally flattering option is perfect for those who want a modern look with low styling effort. 4. Stacked Bob. The concentrated layers at the back instantly create a rounded, voluminous shape at the crown, adding permanent height where fine hair tends to fall flat. This structured style is sophisticated and requires regular maintenance. Combining the volume of the stacked back with a soft, side-swept front adds a touch of femininity and balances the intensity of the cut. This look provides lift without being too severe, suitable for many facial structures. 5. Shaggy Mullet. The numerous, strategically placed layers and disconnection of the shaggy cut inject incredible texture and airy volume throughout the hair. It's a current, stylish choice that makes fine hair look deliberately messy and full. A less extreme version with feathered ends creates a voluminous, weightless effect, avoiding the heaviness that can weigh fine hair down. This softer iteration offers youthful bounce and is easy to style. 6. Short Textured Crop. Keeping the hair extremely short and adding texture at the top forces the fine strands to stand up, creating maximum lift at the root. This low-maintenance style is fantastic for showcasing strong facial features. A slightly longer top section allows for versatility, such as pushing the hair back or creating directional movement. The texture ensures sustained volume without any heavy weight. This is a practical and edgy option. 7. Undercut Bob. By shaving the hair underneath, the top layer of fine hair rests on a solid base, making it appear significantly thicker and more voluminous than it is. This is a sharp, architectural cut with a hidden edge. The contrast between the clean undercut and a wavy top layer maximizes the perceived volume and bounce of the finer strands. This keeps the look feminine yet surprisingly manageable. 8. A-line Bob. The sleek, graduated angle of the A-line bob creates a sophisticated structure that gives the illusion of density and fullness at the bottom. This elegant style is universally flattering and helps to lengthen the neck. Incorporating subtle, internal layers into the A-line structure prevents the hair from hanging too heavily and introduces movement, creating a softer, bouncier finish that retains the classic shape. 9. Wispy Cut. This technique focuses on slicing the ends to create a soft, airy, and feathery finish. It makes fine hair look intentionally light and textured, effectively masking thinness. It suits those with naturally straight hair. Integrating light, see-through bangs into a short cut frames the face beautifully. The gaps in the bangs create a lovely illusion of volume and texture at the front, drawing attention to the eyes. 10. Deep Side Part Bob. The simplest and most effective trick. Shifting the part line to the extreme side instantly lifts the roots, providing dramatic, natural volume that gives the illusion of a much fuller head of hair. Combining the volume of a deep side part with soft waves maximizes bounce and glamour, transforming fine hair into a full-bodied, high-fashion style with minimal effort.